Hello, my friends. Chef Blondie here. Today, Old Fuzzy and we're going to be doing Godzilla Tongues, which is jalapeno poppers. This is a huge bag of jalapenos from the garden. So we'll be using those, and we'll take you step by step with everything you're going to need. But what you're going to need some sharp cheddar, cream cheese, cayenne, just a pinch. And Fuzzy did this today. This is from our garden, our own cayenne peppers.
Yeah, there will be a segment where I'll be speaking. You'll learn how to make your own cayenne pepper.
You'll need just a dash of Tabasco, a little salt and a little pepper. And we like to take and put prosciutto, or in this case, speck Italiano, dry cured smoked ham, on the top of the jalapeno mixer.
Okay, and we also use prosciutto as well.
Yeah. So, shall we get started? I got to go through this bag and get out the bigger ones. No?
We can't get started.
Why?
One very important ingredient is missing. Just a second. We'll be right back.
It wouldn't be Godzilla Tongues without Godzilla. Aren't these jalapenos beautiful? All right, let's get started. Look at all of these beautiful jalapenos. I'm not going to use all of them, but I will use the biggest ones. I am getting ready to slice the jalapenos and take the seeds out. And please, people, please remember to wear gloves. You know, I've stressed this so many times, but you have to wear the gloves to protect yourself. So you want to make sure you get all those seeds out. These are some hot peppers. I can smell them, and they're hot. So the old taste test is going to be interesting tonight. Okay, so we're getting the last of these, and we'll have to rinse them all off and get ready to stuff them up. All right, Fuzzy is getting ready. He's getting ready to grate up my cheese for me. And then we'll be adding the cream cheese and the spices to that mixture. And then we need just a dash of that Tabasco.
Your dash or my dash? That enough?
A little more. That's enough.
Okay.
Now we need a little salt and pepper.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, a little bit of salt. Say when.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Okay.
And that's good enough.
Okay.
Now you need to go and get the cayenne.
Right. We'll say, so here it is.
Oh, I can smell it already. Whew. Because it only calls for just a pinch. Don't put a teaspoon, bub. No. Let me see what you got there. That's way too much. That's better. You just need a pinch of it. But you could add a little bit more. I'll when the taste test comes, I'll let you know. That's too much. Good job. Okay, that's good enough.
Godzilla would be happy.
Yeah. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit of the cream cheese mixture. I'm going to put a little bit into the jalapeno half. And then when I'm done with this, Fuzzy's going to go through and he's going to put a piece of the prosciutto or the dried cured ham on top. You just have to put a little bit. You don't have to put a lot. All the peppers are stuffed with their cheese mixture, and Fuzzy is going to be cutting up the prosciutto, the dried cured ham, putting a piece on each top, and then we'll get them in the air fryer. All right. All righty. Here comes Fuzzy, and he's getting ready to cut up the cured ham, and we're going to get some pieces of that, put on each one of these jalapeno. How do you know how much to cut, Fuzz?
I go by the general width of the
Jalapeno.
jalapenos.
Just lay a little piece on the top.
Get in close on that, and you can see how it.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'll put another piece on.
Okay.
And
looks good.
So a little bit of the meat goes a long way.
Yeah.
And
it just adds so much flavor to it.
I try to match up the sizes so that they.
I think Godzilla says we're ready to put these Godzilla tongues into the air fryer. I set it at 400, and I just keep an eye on it. It's usually about 15, 20 minutes. All right, here we go. Whew, nice and hot. Okay, Godzilla, keep an eye on them. Fuzzy, what are you doing out here on the screened-in porch?
Okay. Today, this part of this segment, the video about making Godzilla tongues, one of the important, not so secret ingredients is that we add cayenne.
Right.
This year we grew our own cayenne peppers.
Yep.
We dehydrated them, and now I'm going to take and grind them up into a powder, into a fine powder, and then some of it we will use in making the peppers this afternoon.
You mean the Godzilla tongues?
The Godzilla tongues. Well, ask me some questions and I'll explain.
How did these jalapeno poppers get to be called Godzilla tongues?
Well, it happened about 5 years ago. I was having a significant number birthday.
Right.
And everybody in the family liked jalapeno poppers.
Yeah, but the reason they're called Godzilla tongues is because it was a Godzilla-themed birthday.
Because Godzilla and I have been friends since he first came to America in 1954.
Right.
And so
the grandkids decided to make what they called Godzilla tongues. Okay.
So do that. One of the extra ingredients that we add is cayenne pepper.
Right. So we had an abundance of cayenne peppers this year. And so Fuzzy says, you know what? I think we'll dehydrate them and we can make our own cayenne pepper. And so what are you getting ready to do?
First of all, I have to recognize that whenever you are grinding up hot peppers,
you better wear up.
Everything in the room is filled with the dust. And it gets into your nose and into your eyes. It can be very good.
Okay, so what's the first?
Well, first step is
get your mask on.
Yeah.
And you don't have gloves, so how are you going to get those peppers out?
Well, the peppers themselves, as we found after we dehydrated them, aren't that hot to the touch.
Oh, yeah.
And then, but we're going to get as fine as we can. I like to call it sort of a rustic blend because it's not going to be that deep red. It's going to be have white in it.
Right.
We go over right here.
What?
And
Okay.
that made a nice sound. We got lots of peppers here.
Okay.
So I'm going to put some of them into here.
Right. Now, if you're using a grinder, make sure that you're only going to use hot peppers in that one. We've got 2.
So now,
all right.
Next step is just like grinding coffee, but a little bit more.
Okay, hang on. How's it looking?
Okay.
Cool.
There's still some seeds.
Yeah, you want to grind those up. What's it look like? Okay, are we done with it yet?
Yeah, with this batch.
Okay. It's been a beautiful day today. The weather has been perfect. All right. Looks pretty good.
It's really good. If it goes like other times when we've ground up our peppers, these will be just right. They'll work out. They'll be fresh. They'll have much more flavor than the store-bought because they haven't been sitting around on a shelf, and they weren't vacuum sealed. They're merely airtight, but not vacuum sealed.
Right.
So this would be the objective: is you want the best.
Make it yourself. Okay.
Hey.
See you on the next round. Happy cooking. Let's give these a try. These are
careful. Be very careful.
These are some of my favorites. And, you know, they make great appetizers, just a snack. They're wonderful. All right, here we go. Definitely taste that freshly ground cayenne pepper. Yes, they're spicy. And yes, they're Godzilla tongues. But oh, my friends, they're delicious. If you like hot, spicy food, you're going to love these. And you know what? I definitely give them a try. It's kind of, you make it your own. I mean, you could put bacon on there. You could kick it up, knock it down, do anything you wanted with it. But you can definitely taste that cayenne. And they're really good. And I'm looking forward to eating them all. Fuzzy, none for you.
Oh.
Happy cooking.